Again, it's a 15C 9.5 FS model, Bigfoot, 2008. Here we go with the inside. We've painted the lower cabinets. We had the uppers painted in my previous videos, you could see. Now I've got the lower ones painted. All the cushions are in now, with the black and white stripe, kind of a sunbrella type material, so hopefully it's durable. It all worked out good. Just had the other old ones recovered. The cushions were good, just new fabric. Had this one made up so you can sit here, and the reason it's thinner than the other ones is because the fridge. Want to make sure it's gonna clear. And painted this part of the fridge. This is already black, so turned out pretty good. Still have the bedroom area to do, but that'll be after I go on a trip. We'll maybe tackle that, but basically this area is all complete. A few little touch-ups, but it's pretty much done. Pardon the mess. We're still getting things cleaned up. Just wanted to give everyone a little update. And the other thing, made a little bit of progress on the solar system. Well, the only progress was I got a Life Pro lithium battery, and it fits in there nice. I could actually do two. There's enough room for a second one. So got to plug away on that, get that working again, and get a proper charge controller and all that. So there'll be a separate video on that. Flooring's done as well. Turned out really well. Used some flooring that I had left over in the house. Put some baseboards. Still have to touch those up, but worked out pretty good. So coming along. So I hope you're enjoying the progress of the camper. We'll keep doing little videos of the progress and all the things I'm doing. Thanks for watching.